The CMS's R2 defines a standard API for real-time operating systems to ensure that there is portability of R2's applications. So these APIs comes with functions for task management, how to create a task, how to delete a task, how to suspend a task, and other things like synchronization, whereby we have things like the semaphores, the mutexes that deal with shared resources. And also we have inter-task communication, sending notifications or messages from one task to another. So we have the real-time kernel that the CMCs sit on, and this could be the FreeRTOS, this could be the R2 scale RTX. So we find that the CMCs R2 has to sit on some real-time kernel.